Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making flavorful chimichurri tofu tacos. Start by pressing your tofu with the Easy Tofu Press. While the tofu presses, make your chimichurri sauce. In your food processor, combine olive oil, red wine vinegar, parsley and cilantro, oregano, garlic, shallots, and a serrano pepper. Process until you have an even, chunky mixture. Then season with salt and pepper and pulse a few times to combine. Set aside a half cup of the sauce. Pull the tofu out of the press and use your hands to break it up into chunky pieces. Pour the sauce that you didn't reserve over the tofu pieces and toss them to combine really well. Now arrange the tofu in a single layer on a baking sheet and bake. Stack your tortillas, then wrap them in foil and throw them into the oven during the last 5 minutes of baking time. When the tofu and tortillas are ready, you can assemble your tacos. Layer on that savory baked tofu with creamy avocado, crunchy shredded cabbage, and that zesty reserved chimichurri sauce. Top your tacos off with green onions and you're ready to eat. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make chimichurri tofu tacos. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!